Hello everyone, start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair, then loosen it, make a division in the side as such, and then pull the ponytail through this other side on the side. Now take the ponytail, comb it in place, and then add a rubber band at the base of the hair as such. Once you are done with this, divide the hair at the top into two parts, roll the hair in on itself, and then press it downwards as such. Twist it and then insert it into place. After this, take a pin and then insert it into place and fasten it. You may use a decorative pin in order to make it look all the more aesthetically appealing. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and then taking this section itself, add a rubber band to the middle section of it. Now taking this section, pull it through the top section that you have created. Taking the rest of the hair, divide it into two portions, then begin to twist one section over the other as such. Once you are done with this, roll it up into a bun and then tie it up into place. You may do so using multiple pins or a rubber band even. Whatever you choose to do, however, you may also use a decorative pin in order to make it look all the more better. We have started off by using bobby pins and now adjust the hair as you want it to be adjusted. Now in this side, use a decorative multiple prong pin. Tie a low ponytail out of the hair while leaving a section of it untied. Now add a rubber band at the base of the hair as such. Roll the hair upwards and then use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. You can also use a bobby pin as we have done. Now taking the section from the side that you have left out, comb it into place and then wrap it around the bun to begin with. Fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Do this all around. Now on top of this, add decorative pins in order to make it look all the more better. We have used these star pins for the same purpose. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, then divide the hair into two sections, taking the left side section, pull it through the right side top. Tie a ponytail at the base as such, then add a rubber band at the bottom. Now once you are done with this, make a division in the middle, roll the hair in on itself, and then twist it, make it into a bun, wrap the hair around. Afterwards, you may use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Use multiple prong decorative pin at the top of it. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Now at the base, tie a rubber band to it, tie a rubber band at the end as well, and then afterwards, tie it up using a decorative clip. Do this in the middle section as such. Now add another rubber band at the end of it, and afterwards, fold this inwards into the shape of a bun. You may do this using a bobby pin. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair. Add a rubber band to the middle section of this ponytail, and once you are done with this, divide the bottom portion of the hair into three parts and then begin to braid the hair. Now, once you are done with the braiding of this hair, roll the hair upwards into a bun. You may do this delicately, but before you do so, roll the braid into the middle section of the hair as well. Then take the braid, insert it into the uppermost rubber band. Now roll the hair up into a bun as such. Use a decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place, or you may use a bobby pin, followed by which you may use a decorative pin as we have done. Next, we will take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. At the base, tie a low ponytail to the hair. Now, tighten up the hair, comb the rest of it so that it is even, and then divide the hair into one part firstly to begin with. Taking the right section of it, lift it and then pull it up through the top left section. Do the same for the left side, however, pull it through the top right section. Comb it all together, then add a rubber band at the base as such. Once you are done with this, comb the hair into place, add a rubber band at the base, and then make a division out of it and then wrap it around the bun after rolling it in on itself. Insert the excess hair into place downwards as such. Then use a double pin in order to make it look all the more decorative. Thank you for watching.